Good afternoon, my dear student. Today your topic is equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant Kc and Nernst equation. The representation of Kc when your reaction takes place, reactant and product. The equilibrium constant is represented by Kc. What is equilibrium and Nernst equation? In previous classes I told you Nernst equation, and today I will teach you equilibrium constant from the Nernst equation. The EMF of the cell may be used to calculate the equilibrium constant. Calculate the equilibrium constant for the reaction. At equilibrium, the EMF value, electromagnetic force, the electromagnetic force of the cell is 0. Suppose I given a reaction zinc solid plus copper ion in aqueous solution, and equilibrium constant is represented by Kc, where zinc dissolved in water then form 2 plus aqueous solution and copper solid. Copper is solid. So these are redox reactions. These are redox reaction. Suppose I given an oxidation reaction and reduction reaction, half reaction. I make this reaction is half reaction. Then how to recognize the word copper and zinc, how to work as oxidation and reduction? You see the electrochemical series. And recognize the oxidation and reduction. Oxidation half cell reaction. Half cell reaction. Highly oxidizing properties of copper. Oxidation reaction of zinc is high. Zinc solid release the aqueous solution plus 2 ion and 2 electron. It is the oxidation half reaction. And reductions, gain of electrons means copper ion aqueous and 2 electron and form the copper solid. Okay. These are overall reaction, half reaction, and reduction, half cell reaction. Okay. Any doubt? Next topic. You know also that previous class 11th you read the chapter equilibrium. And where you know also according to law of mass action, according to law of mass action, okay. According to law of mass action, Kc equal zinc ion Zn plus 2 equals and copper solid. Concentration and concentration. Copper solid, copper equals and +2 concentration, and concentration zinc solid, concentration zinc solid, where Cu solid and zinc solid equal 1 m. Cu solid and zinc solid equal 1 m. Kc, then Kc equal then Zn +2 equals concentration and copper +2 Aq concentration. Okay, from Nernst equation, you know also the Nernst equation. About Nernst equation. Nernst equation is E cell equal E naught cell, E cell equal E naught cell minus 2.303 RT NF log zinc solid and copper, zinc solid and copper and Cu plus 2 Aq equals. Okay, any doubt? No doubt. Okay, and log this, so this equal from equation, suppose this is the first equation, from equation first, okay. E cell equal E naught cell minus 2.303 RT NF log Kc. Okay, this is the relation between the equilibrium constant and Nernst equation. Any doubt? No. If at equilibrium state, E cell equal 0. So what is this? This is 0. 0 equal E cell naught minus 2.303 RT and F log Kc. Okay, then E naught cell equal 2.303 RT and F log Kc. You know also R equal 8.314 equal 273 equal 273 and F Faraday law 96500 and N equal number of electron accepting or given, number of electrons accepting or given, and put the value of this equation, then this value is E naught equal 2.303 into A 3.314 and 273 divided by N and 9650 और 00 log Kc then log Kc equal Ne naught cell divided by 0.0059. It is the relationship between the electrochemical cell or equilibrium constant and inertia. It is this formula is very important in your numerical problems. It is the significance of Kc. What is sometimes examiner given the what is significance of Kc? So it is the value of Kc. The value of Kc gives the value of Kc gives the extent of the reaction, extent of the cell reaction. So if the value of Kc is large, the reaction proceeds to larger extent. Okay, any problem? No. Thanks. I told you a numerical problem. Calculate the equilibrium questions. Calculate the equilibrium constant. Calculate the equilibrium constant for the reaction. For the reactions of the reaction at 298 Kelvin. 298 Kelvin. Reaction is Cu solid plus 2Ag aqueous solutions and Cu solid to solution and Cu plus 2Aq plus 2Ag solid. Plus 2Ag solid, and the value of given that E Ag plus mod Ag equal 0.80 volt and E naught Cu plus 2 Cu equal 0.34 volt. I given answer solution. This is the solution. According to given value, E cell not equal E naught Ag plus mod Ag minus E naught Cu Cu plus 2 of copper Ag. Okay, Ag value is given 0.80 volt minus this value is given 0.34 volt equal E naught cell, and E naught cell equal the value is 0.46. The value is 0.46. What is calculation? इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट कैलकुलेट करना, केसी वैल्यू निकालना है, और केसी वैल्यू निकालना है तो आपको फार्मूला कौन सा यूज करना है? ई सेल नॉट इक्वल 0.0595 n, 0.059 n log kc. This is the formula and its value given this. So then AC equal 0.40, AC equal 0.40 equal 0.059, and electron n equal this reactions n equal to 2 electron, n equal to electron 2 log Kc, 2 log Kc. Okay, any problem? Then log Kc equal 2 into 0.46 divided by 0.059. Then log Kc equal 15.76. So then log Kc equal 1 by log 1576. ठीक है ना? आप ये वैल्यू ऐसा कर सकते हैं, एंटी लॉग, दिस इज एंटी लॉग, और आप यहाँ पे कर सकते हो, और तो आप Kc इक्वल एंटी लॉग 15.76 this way. Then it is the anti log value Kc equal anti log value Kc equal 3.92 into 10 to power 15. This is the numerical problem I told you. Next video. Electrochemical reactions and Gibbs energy of reaction. Electrochemical reaction and Gibbs free energy. Gibbs free electrochemical reactions and Gibbs free energy. You know also that delta Rg equal maximum. If delta G value is delta G is maximum, then to delta G equal W max. maximum work, then maximum work, and W equal delta G not equal minus W not equal minus NF E cell, NF E. W equal W max maximum equal minus NF E naught E cell. This way. Okay. According to first law of thermodynamics, according to first law of thermodynamics, from class 11 topics, from class 11 topics. Okay. The thermodynamics properties from the temperature dependent of inert cell. Thermodynamic temperature dependent E cell naught is the temperature dependent and the delta naught H naught and delta R entropy and enthalpy. Calculate the standard free energy. Standard free energy means delta RG equal minus delta G equal minus RT ln Kc. It is the relationship between the RT. Okay. Significance, the association can be spontaneity. It is what is the significance. Significance of E cell, E naught cell, and delta RG and spontaneity. What is significance? Then E cell delta G naught Kc value K and redox reaction. Suppose E cell value positive. If E cell value is positive, delta G negative. It is very important. If E cell value is positive, delta G negative, to less than 1, greater than 1. K की value greater than 1. Favor the reaction and reaction not in favor. Favor the reactions of products. प्रोडक्ट फेवर करेगी, मतलब ये है कि सपोज करो कि ये वैल्यू आपको डेल्टा जी नेगेटिव है तो प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मेशन होगा और गुड रिएक्शन होगी, रिएक्शन फेवर से। सपोज दिस वैल्यू 0 तो दिस वैल्यू 0, दिस वैल्यू 0, दिस वैल्यू 0, तो के इक्वल 1 देन 1 reactant and product are equal, both are equal, reactant and product are equal. Suppose E cell value negative, this delta G positive, then greater than value, K value is greater than 1, K value greater than 1 in favor of reactant, redox reaction favor of reactant, okay.